And they get on the edge and they flutter their wings. And one is about 2 days older.
Oh, is that right?
So the bigger one will fly off before. That's how it was with the finches.
So where's the
mother?
Parent?
The mother bird comes to just feed every so often and takes off. She never stays now. She can't even sit.
Yeah, no room, huh?
She's on the ledge on the edge and feeds them and she takes off. But she's gone most of the time. She's not there at night either, Mo. もうじき来るかな? And she feeds them real quickly and she takes off. At least they're apart so you can clearly see both of them. Sometimes they're together, so. Oh my gosh, it's so clear in your camera. Is that a movie, Ben?
Yeah.
Fabulous.
Won't take it long enough to catch all the movement.
Oh, that is fabulous. Oh, if only the mother would come now and feed them. That would just be so perfect. I see the mother. Stay still,
Okay,
Ben.
I see.
There's the mother coming. Oh my God. There it
Oh, yeah,
is.
yeah.
Ben. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, they're feeding.
Perfect timing.
Yeah.
Oh, Ben, look at that. That is so precious. Oh my word, feed the other one.
I wish they're facing this way.
I know. But look, you've got the profile.
I know.
Oh, for heaven's sakes. Oh my goodness, Ben.
Boy, she must swallow a lot of food, you know.
Oh yeah, she holds a lot and she regurgitates into their throat. Oh my.
Hey. Very good.
Oh my God, Ben!
Good.
That was